Following the allegations of transmitting fake news on their social media platforms, Isaac Kibet and Emmanuel Kimutai were arrested at their home on Saturday. The irate residents barricaded the Eldoret-Nakuru highway, paralyzing transport for the better part of the day. According to the locals, the duo were arrested for posting lies on Facebook that the Cabinet Secretary for Internal Security, Dr. Fred Matiang'i, had contracted COVID-19 and was admitted in ICU.
Being in ICU si makosa. All of us tuko ICU. That is a citizen ambaye anataka akuwe mentored. These young boys who are supposed to be mentored. Aya Matiang'i mwenyewe angekuja kwa hewa na dispute these facts. Nasema I'm not sick. That's the end of the story. But coming all the way from Nairobi, bring officers, we have CCI hapa, we have DCI, Langas. These are issues that commit to our own DCI officers in Eldoret. Na hivi vijana wakamatwa na peleka hapa Eldoret, mustakiwa.
The National Youth Council has today launched a nationwide campaign dubbed First versus Corona to engage the youth to come up with innovative